From the stunning capital city of Valletta to the crystal clear waters that made it famous as a filming location for Love Island.
Welcome to Malta.
I know, it's so beautiful.
Our first time in this republic,
That's correct.
Republic of Malta.
So far, we're loving it.
Where is Malta? Malta is a small island located in between the island of Sicily and North Africa. Population here is about, this year will be approximate 445,000 people.
In Valletta, the Republic of Malta. This is one beautiful street in Malta.
Valletta, the capital city and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Valletta is one of the smallest capital cities in Europe, but it's packed with incredible architecture. The city was built by the Knights of St. John in the 16th century. Start your Valletta exploration at the city gate and walk down Republic Street. Did you know that Malta is smaller than most major cities? Yet it packs more history per square mile than almost anywhere else on Earth. This tiny Mediterranean island nation has been ruled by Romans, Arabs, Knights, French, and British. Yet somehow, it has managed to keep its own unique charm and character. If you're planning a trip to Malta or just curious about this amazing destination, let me start by giving you some quick facts about Malta that will surprise you. Malta is actually made up of 3 main islands: Malta, Gozo, and Camino.
This is Valletta.
More stairs.
More stairs. This is Europe, Mary.
The entire country is only 316 square kilometers, which means you could drive across the whole thing in about 45 minutes. Despite its tiny size, Malta has 2 official languages, Maltese and English. This makes it incredibly easy for English speakers to travel there. The weather is fantastic almost year-round, with over 300 days of sunshine annually. Now let's talk about when to visit Malta. The best time to go depends on what you want to do. If you're looking for perfect beach weather and don't mind crowds, visit between June and September. The temperatures during summer range from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. However, this is also peak tourist season, so expect higher prices and busy attractions. For a more relaxed experience with still pleasant weather, consider visiting in May or October. The temperatures are still warm enough for swimming, usually around 20 to 25 degrees. You'll find fewer tourists and better deals on accommodation. Winter months from November to March are mild, but can be rainy. This is actually a great time to explore Malta's historical sites without the heat and crowds.
Some show inside, in the middle.
This is something similar that I saw in Corfu, the island of Corfu in Greece, in the main town. This castle and fortress, very nice. It's a mix of what? Greece, Rome, Italy, I don't know, hard to say. I think it's unique.
Price of the fuel in Malta.
We start with Caesar salad with some chicken piece and local beer, Malta beer, lager, very good. Perfect.
Chicken Caesar.
I'll start with that. Let's just order one more beer. Okay, we just got our meals. Seafood pasta.
That's right, seafood pasta.
One big shrimp.
Mussels.
French fries. And that's the famous rabbit stew. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.